I hope you are able to see me properly now. Perfect. So I'll be your host for next 3 days. I'm Akshay Shinde. I'm the founder of Tech Amplifiers. So I'll be guiding you through next 3 days. We'll be working together and we will build everything from scratch. So anybody over here who has attended the workshop in the past? I guess nobody. So these four people, all of you are new. Good to see you. Welcome on board. Welcome to Tech Amplifiers. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you that this is the short session, 30-minute session that we have hosted as a day zero, giving you the orientation that what is going to happen for next 3 days. Okay, so we have around 20 plus people who have enrolled for this workshop, but I don't see a lot of people have joined today. Anyways, so since you're here, let's begin. Let's get started. So let me just quickly tell you the agenda, what is going to happen in next 3 days, and then we'll move forward. Meanwhile, um, if you have any questions, keep it with you. Ask me towards the end. Like after 15 minutes, once I'm done, I'll be giving you an opportunity to ask me the queries, questions, doubts, and things that you are facing challenges or you're stuck with. Hmm? So let me just quickly introduce myself. I'm a full stack developer. React on the front end, Spring Boot on the back end. Recently started working with Spring AI as it is booming in the market. Built a couple of projects, and then we're working on it for almost last 1 year. So earlier we started Tech Amplifiers around in 2019. So this is Tech Amplifiers. I'll quickly show you while I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, let me share my screen. Here I go. So everybody, like, can you please put one more thing into the chat? Which city you have joined from? So I normally ask while I'm just sharing the screen, which city you have joined from today here. Name of the city. Delhi. We have somebody saying. So we had one more person from Delhi. In my batch too. Bangalore, Chennai. One person left. So from different places. Perfect. That is absolutely I was expecting because we are in the world of online. So this is Tech Amplifiers. We are based out of Pune, so that is the reason I asked you. So I was about to introduce Tech Amplifiers. We are into the ID training and this domain from 2019. Almost last 6-7 years we spent working with freshers. Last year, 2025, I personally have started. Abhinav is there, Pune. I personally have started um, uh, working with experienced candidates and helping them to switch the job with 100% hike. Because in 2024, I myself have got 150% hike. I analyze everything. I noted down the points, steps, and everything, and then we help so many people till now. So I'll be sharing the videos, the success stories once we start session tomorrow. So today's thing is all about connecting and understanding what exactly we are supposed to do. Okay, so let me just quickly open 3-day workshop checklist so that I will quickly help you understand what exactly you are supposed to do. Okay, the first thing first, not this one. Just a moment. The let's file open kar diya. So session will be on only in English. Okay, just to give you an idea because we have crowd from different states. So it's like 100% English. And of course, yeah, you guys are into IT industry, so you have to face the interviews. You have to talk to the HRs and everybody in English. So that's what you would be looking for. Okay, so we need some softwares. Okay, we need some softwares that are required for this workshop. So let me just quickly come here. Day zero K task. Just a moment. I'm just finding that right file. So by mistakenly, I was on a different file. Yeah, correctly. Right now I'm there. Day zero tasks. Okay, be active, take notes whenever you are there. So join the session on time. We start exactly at, if session time is 7, we start at 7, but we actually, when I share my screen, it's 7:05 because every time I wait for first 5 minutes while I'm talking to you, while I'm checking like who all are there, answering questions, queries, if anybody has. If not, we'll move on. You need to install some softwares. I assume most of you might be having it already, but in case if somebody is not having it, so it's my responsibility, because this is going to be hands-on session. This is going to be fully 100% practical oriented. 100% nahi bol sakte. It's like 90% practical, because some concept I have to teach you theoretically. I have to tell you like how exactly one-to-one mapping works. What is entity mapping, right? So what is pagination? The concept of pagination I have to tell you first theoretically, right? I have to demonstrate, and then we are going to write a code for it. Correct? So these are the couple of things where you will be having a 10% of theory about architecture of Spring Boot. It's theoretical. It's not practical. I cannot. We will be doing the 100% code, and you guys will be doing with me. And for doing it, you need to have some softwares. Okay. So I clicked on link. I guess I have not hit enter. So I just hit enter. Now it will load. So I assume all of you are working as Java developers. So you must have Java installed in your laptop. Can you please tell me like which version of Java you're using? The most favorite question of the interviewer. Which version of Java you are having in your laptop? 8 or your project, whatever. Amir is saying 8. What about others? Just random guess, nothing, no worries, like whatever you put is fine. So Sunil is saying 17. So I would like to have the answers from everybody. We have 6 people. Somebody had joined. We have Muhammad. I guess that is a correct name. Muhammad Rafiq is there. Good to see you. All right. So I highly recommend to install the latest version of Java, that is Java 25. This link will be shared with you, all of you. You guys can go here on this link. You will be able to open that particular thing. Oracle official documentation is there. Get an option to download and get it installed. Why? Because a couple of things we are going to use in our workshop. The classes, the methods may not support in old version of Java. Okay. So I highly recommend to use latest version. That is what I recommend in all my training programs, whether it's workshop or 2 months of training program. We always work with latest versions of all the tools, all the softwares, all the tools. We always work with latest version, and that is how you will grow, build up, right? So this link will be shared. Installer is there, MSI is also there. Both, whichever suits you, click on it, download and get it installed. Okay, this is number 1, Java. Then you can use Eclipse or IntelliJ, your choice. You can use any of these. Links are provided. You can download and install. Then we need Postman for testing our endpoints. We are going to build. I'm going to show you what exactly we're going to build. But these are the first prerequisite, the tools. Install Postman. If you have it, good. If you don't, you can download it from here again. Then Ulama is not needed for this. This was from other program. So I'll quickly move it above. You need to install database, because this is data JPA, right? Java persistent API. We have to work with database. So that database is MySQL we are going to use. So if you have it installed, good. If not, I would highly recommend you to go and install it. Okay. So recommendation. These are the optional tools not required for this, at least this particular workshop. So Docker is again not needed. Olama is again not needed. And extra databases like MongoDB not needed for this particular workshop. So first for database, API testing tool, IDE for writing the code, Java, JDK Java is for running the code. Now, please let me know into the chat. I believe most of you might be having all these 4 software installed. Type in 4 if you have 4. If you have 3 software installed, type in 3. And I got all have. Perfect. So make sure.
Sorry for the interruption. So why you need Olama?
Like out of 4, how many softwares you are already having, so that you do not need to work upon a lot. Second thing I would recommend, even though if you have Java, I highly recommend you to upgrade to latest version, at least 20 plus. Why? Because we're going to use this portal, Spring Initializer. This is the, when I'll start tomorrow, day 1, we will come to this page and then we will build a project, or we'll take the dependencies and everything, and we'll click on generate. We'll import this project in the ID. Now, while selecting the project, we have only 3 options. If you have anything other than this, you cannot build basically the project. Like and 17, like in few days it will get removed. So I would recommend at least be 20 plus, if not 25. At least like anything above 20 is fine. Anything below 20, so you may get deprecated code error or something like that. So that is something I recommend you guys. Please update it to any version which is more than 20. 25 best. If not 25, at least 21 or 20. Okay? So that is a recommendation. Everybody clear? Why is it so? Everybody clear? Type in C for clear into the chat. Quick. And this is how I guess I have not. Yeah, C for clear. Perfect. Thank you so much. Mohammed is saying C. Abhinav is saying C. Sunil is also is getting the clarity. Perfect. So this is clarity, something which we are expecting going forward. We might need it. You will help you. Perfect. So perfect. Sandhya is there. Sandhya Kumari. Perfect. What is the fifth item? No, four. Only four. No fifth item. Fifth item, it will be optional then. Like Olama is a tool. Yeah. So it's an optional, not needed for this workshop. Okay. It is for Spring AI that was needed. So I just removed it from there. So then there is sixth as well, Docker, again, not needed for this one. So that is when I made it an optional. This link will be shared with you. Don't worry. Then if you want to install, you can, but it is of no use going forward. Now there is a form which I want you guys to fill up. So day 2 end, day 3 end. Before I talk to the end, let me tell you the timing. Okay, let me just bring the page which you have used in order to register. Just allow me a minute. I'm pausing the screen for a second. I'm going back to the agenda which we shown you, and you paid the fees from there. I'm bringing that page onto the screen so that me both will be in sync. And then somebody's unmuted. Just a moment. Sunil is unmuted. Let me just quickly stop that setting by which unmute. Now you just put it into chat if you have any questions. Normally, you can unmute yourself after we finish the session, after we have all doubt solving session and everything next day or even on the same day. But there is a limit, like 1 hour I'll teach, and then only I allow you to unmute, because in between you get some question which are maybe I'll be answering in the next 10 or 15 minutes. So that one. What is this? JPA, data JPA is the training. Spring Boot workshop. This is the link. I'm just bringing it over here. You're not able to see what I'm sharing. Just a moment. Yeah. So here I go. I'm there on the page which you guys have already visited. Okay. So this is learn.tech amplifiers. The official website. You can go back. You can log into with your credentials for recording, and everything will be there. 13, 14, 15 March. That is starting from tomorrow. Friday, which is working day, obviously, everybody would be working. As I see, all of you working professionals. Some of you are beginners, 1 year freshers or something, but 90% will be working professionals. Saturday, Sunday will start at 7. Both the days session will go and end at 10 p.m. Like the official time is 10 p.m. 10 to 10:30, I'll be here. We will have some bonuses, we'll have some discussions, we'll have some doubts, queries, and questions every day. 3 days I'll be with you. After 10, I will be putting all of you in a group. You can discuss among yourself. There are a lot of activities that we do, but again, it is for everybody who is going to stay after some time, right? So that is going to be there. You can ask queries, questions. We'll have free hand and in that period, basically after 10. 10 to 10:30 is something which is reserved. But officially, like all the 3 days, I'll be finishing the session at 10. So the timing is 10, but after 10, now that is what I was talking about. The form which I'm going to share with you is where we will be discussing on some points wherever you are facing challenges. I want you guys to fill it up. I'll first show you what exactly it is having. Okay, so this is for me to understand from which background you're coming, what exactly you do. We also wanted to add LinkedIn link over here. So let me just do it as my team next time at least. Because I wanted to review your LinkedIn profile. I want to understand you better, and so that I could guide you better going forward. Right? Your email address, name, mobile number. What is your primary skills? Of course, most of you are from Java, or some of you are full stack, or some of you are Java with AWS. These are the categories whom I interact normally. Right? So you can have to put it over here, expertise, domain, and everything. Major areas where you are feeling stuck right now in your career. For some of you, maybe growth, some of you maybe skills, some of you may be stuck in some maintenance kind of role, some of you want to switch, get better salaries, whatever is your pain point, you can list it over here. We'll discuss about it on day 3. Okay, the responses will not be shared. It is private to me only. Even my team members cannot see the responses. We will discuss day 2 and day 3, both the days. Like if we get more responses, of course we need 2 days. If not, on in one of the day we will talk with this, and then that will happen after 10 o'clock. So with my experience of last 6 years, 7 years, we have been into training domain. We help thousands of people to get into IT, get their first job. And from last year we started, we helped almost 10, 12 people to switch job with 100% hike. That is what we do. And your experience, your current CTC, what you're drawing. So any random guesses would work. And then what you're planning to. So like with your current and the expected, I could give you the guideline, like what should be your action steps is something it is expected. This will help me to understand about you, and I'll be able to guide you properly. Okay. So here is a link I'm sharing into the chat. Control V. Click on the link and fill it up before we start the session tomorrow. Okay. So click on the link and fill it up before it's 8:20. I'll be here till 8:30. Today is 30 minutes per session orientation. Third, second form is done. So you can connect with me on LinkedIn as well. So this is again, this you can do it quickly. It doesn't take a lot of time. Okay. So third is you're gonna so connect with me on LinkedIn. So any updates, anything that we share about tech amplifiers, the interview questions on Spring Boot, what is trending happening in AI. Normally, I write about it. I also write about what exactly success stories we had in the past. You can go and read it. My recent post about where we helped 4 people in last month, in the month of February, to clear the interviews and get into the new company with really good offer letters, the big names out there. So you can check on the LinkedIn as well. Everybody click on the link into the chat and connect with me on the LinkedIn. Last thing, if you want to have the access to the recordings of the session, they're available. But let me tell you one thing very honestly. The people who attended live session, they have got the maximum output. They got the maximum results. Because in live session, you will be doing with me. Here you will be sharing the output. This is what you have done, you have implemented, you have achieved. So that is what you will be sharing with me live over here. And this experience will not come from the recordings. But we are sharing recordings because we don't want to limit, sometimes some urgency comes up and you may not attend. But I would highly recommend you to attend live sessions. That is what you will get benefited. So just to let you know, like what exactly you are going to see, because it's not about workshops. It's all about, like, I'll be showing you last workshop, which we hosted last week on, just a moment. I'm going to my WhatsApp, hence I pause my screen. Spring AI. Or even data JPA will also would have worked. ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ एक बार. So is it not searched? It's searched now. So here I go. I am sharing my screen again, even in the data JPA workshop as well. So you will observe the people who have attended previously. So this workshop we host almost after 2 months or so. So here I go. उसके पीछे वाला लोड नहीं हो रहा क्या? हाँ, नहीं ये बहुत पुराना है. ठीक है, रिपब्लिक डे के पहले वाला. So Spring AI, like it's been long time we had not have data JPA. I'll just quickly go to the recent one. ठीक है, Spring AI, the workshop that we hosted in the past. So anybody, whoever there, Siddhi, today I discussed with her. She's having 14 years of experience. We implemented the things live over here in the workshop, and people put output. Like he's one of the VPs with the company. Srinivasa, again, really working in a good company. Nafis, I don't know about him much, but these people have shared the output of the skill, and this is what you can do it in live. That is what I recommend. Join live. This is where you learn most, like the previous sessions as well. Arvin, these people have put their screenshot, whatever they built live here in the session. They have Nilesh was also there, so they are able to showcase because they implemented with me every single thing you will be doing with me live over here in the session. That's when I recommend you to attend live. Recordings are just for your benefit. Recordings are just for your rewatching, recap, revising when you're planning for the next interview. Okay, so that is just for helping you out. Don't consider that I'll do something else and then I'll rewatch the recording. That doesn't work actually, because I know a lot of you might have taken some courses on Udemy, ye karenge pura, and you might not. If not you, I know a lot of people who have taken the courses but they are not able to complete till the date. So that's the case. Hence, I don't recommend recordings. Do it here. You paid. You should attend live is the thing, and it is for your benefit. Okay, so it will help you a lot. Okay. Everybody clear with the instructions? Everybody clear with all four things? Either yeah. Yes. Everybody clear? Install the software. Make sure 21. Fill up the form. I pass on the link. Connect with me, and then access the recordings only for revising, not for key 100% dependence. Clear, everybody, guys? Any questions? All right, no questions. So forum is open now. If you have anything that you would like to ask, anything that you would like to know, you can ask. So let me just quickly take you to the agenda. Day one, we'll be building a project from scratch. Setup करेंगे from scratch. We'll be going to that particular portal. You will be following my instructions and you will be doing with me. Building the REST API, database integration, and then we'll have LinkedIn profile review for one or two candidates, and then others can take the notes from that. Day two will be on advanced data JPA. We'll build real world things, the mappings, one-on-one mapping, as I said, performance optimization, how you can do it, projection, pagination, and other things. And we'll build end-to-end CRUD operation on day two, right? Some tips on the resume as well I'll be sharing on day two, which will help you to build ATS friendly system is what is planned. This like last thing, everything that you see is planned after 10, okay? This thing, okay? Day three will be deployment. I'll be guiding you about security essentials. Will not be able to implement Spring Security in detail, but I'll be telling you like how to secure APIs. Okay, the backend developer must know is something we'll be covering on day three. And career growth strategy. यहाँ पे growth word they have skipped. My team has skipped growth word. Okay, career growth strategy, like we'll have live Q&A sessions towards the end. I'll be sharing 60 days roadmap for backend developers that you can grow in your career. That is what day one, day two, and day three agenda. Okay, everybody clear? Type in C into the chat if you're clear with everything. If you have any questions, put the question into the chat. Quick. All clear? Prerequisite. As I said, right, you just need to have Java installed. The prerequisite, basic understanding of Java. That's the prerequisite. If you know Java, we are going to do step by step, one step at a time, you with me. Every code I'll write, I will be giving you 2 minutes or 3 minutes, depending on the number of lines or depending on how much steps I'm doing, how many steps I'm doing. So I'll be giving you 5 minutes sometimes to do it with me. That's how you will be able to do it live here. And this would be the, I'm telling you, you might not have attended any of my workshop or event yet. This would be the best experience that you will get till now throughout your life. Okay, because people have attended, people have shared lot many good experiences. Could go to the Tech Amplifiers Instagram, then check out the profile. I'll just quickly, since I realized, I'll just quickly show you because my team has posted today, so I thought let's show it. Okay, so here I go. I just opened that Tech Amplifiers LinkedIn. Sorry, not LinkedIn, Instagram. You can also follow on Insta if you wish to. I recommend you to connect on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is where we are very active. Instagram we started recently. We're not we are not focused on there so much, right? So this is from last workshop. One of the student has attended Spring AI. So she liked it very much. She was dropping off because she was having something. It's been pleasant and productive setup sessions over the last 3 days. Valuable discussion, right? So this is one of the things. So if you see Kavita saying today also my team has put in, again, it is on Spring AI, integrating AI with Spring. It was a great experience. So you just go and I'm just telling you, ये offer letter वाला है. So people had really great experience. If provided they implement, like ये तो microservice वाला है. Refresh my coding skills since long time. Nafis, you know the name I shown you a few minutes back. But finding more difficult things. Thanks to this session, which pushed me to do these things. So करोगे, you will be doing with me. I don't leave anybody because we work with very limited. ये Python का चालू हुआ. So we work with very limited crowd. Okay, so we have not more than 20. Every time we stop on 20, maximum 30, not more than that. And I focus personally what is the challenges you're facing, where you're getting stuck, and we help you to do the setup. Okay, so same thing is going to happen for next 3 days. Nothing. Good to see you. You're supposed to join at 8:30, the mock interview session. You are here. Nasim. Okay, so wrong window. Chalo, good to see you. So Nasim is from one of my training programs. So these workshops for training people, these workshops are free of cost. So we conduct every weekend we conduct workshop, but on different topics, different things, and we have so many topics actually. So I guess one topic will be replaced, covered again after 3 months minimum. So we did one in Jan. Now we are doing in March. This thing will repeat again somewhere in May or June. Okay. So meanwhile, every week we conduct some other topics. All right. Any questions? 1 minute left. Any question? Any questions, guys? Oh, sorry, got the mail so joined. Nothing. Yes. So वो आया है because you have the access, nothing. That's why you got the email. But that's fine. Any questions, guys? 1 minute session is going to end. Thank you so much for joining in. See you tomorrow exactly at 8 p.m.